Let's carve it up. It's not pretty, but it'll do. All right. So, what do we got here? Look at that. Oh yeah. That's hot right there, right? All right. Take a swig of this real quick. All right. So, what I'm going to do, tomorrow's Easter. So right now, it's 11 o'clock at night. We'll do overnight brisket cook with the Highland smoker right here at Oklahoma Joe's. So I'm going to try to get this done by 1 o'clock. Well, that's the time I need to be at my nephew's house, but I'm going to try to get done actually by 11 o'clock. So we'll see if we can get that done. So let's get post oak, get it in there, let it go, let it get going. So that's what this video is going to be, a brisket cook. It's been a while, so I'm excited. So let's get to it. That's looking good right there. Gonna keep the side door wide open. So let's close it up. Let's get that brisket on. Cooking a brisket. Can't beat that. Here it is. All right. So this right here is a 14-pound select. Now, you know, beef prices are pretty high, right? So yeah. So I'm going to place it right there, right in the middle. All right, I'm gonna let it go, get the temps. I'm cool if they're at 250, 275, and we'll roll with that. For the first 4 hours, I'm not even going to look at it. I'm just gonna feed the fire. That's all I'm gonna do, is just feed the fire. So right now, take a look at it, say bye. We'll see you in 4 hours. In a few minutes, it's gonna hit midnight, and we rolling. 275. There's the wood, mesquite, post oak. Gotta have that wood on that side fire box. Get it warm, get it hot, so it lights up right when you put it inside. Got temps dropping, so you know what that means, right? Oh yeah. Put that right there. If you need to, move it around. Start catching. Oh man, it's been a chilly night. Chilly night. We had some thunderstorms that came throughout like half the day. So yeah, it brought in a little cold front. But you know, I'm out here. Look at that. Beautiful. Yeah. All right. So that's catching. So let's close it down. All right. And then I'm going to go with, let's go with this post oak right here. You know the routine. Put it right there. Get hot. All right. So let's continue on. It's gotten so chilly out here. Had to start a fire to keep warm. Look at that. It sure is keeping me warm. Yeah. You gotta do what you gotta do, right? Well, all right, it has been 4 hours, so I'm dying to see what it looks like. You ready? Yep. There it is. Obviously, we still got more to go. Yeah, and we got this right here keeping me warm. But yeah, we got more to go, so I'm gonna let it ride. Let's close it up. It's 5:21 in the morning, so I want to check it out. We're 6 hours in. All right. You see, that's what we're looking at right there. So yeah, 6 hours in. Still got some more time, so let's shut it back down and then continue on. Well, look at here. Sunlight made it through the night. All right, so I know I'm gonna have to add another one. All right, so let's check it. Oh yeah, it's looking great. It sure is. All right, well, look at that, telling you right there. It's gone up 6, 7 degrees, 8. So that's letting you know that we're hitting probably in that stall. So I'm gonna let it ride out for a little bit more, and then if I need to, I'll go ahead and I'll wrap it in butcher paper. Let's close you up. You hot. Feels good. Stay warm. All right, we'll bring you back. We have hit 9 hours. So that's what this looks like. Looks great. For a select, huh? Yeah, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna wrap it. Just to give you an idea if you want to know where it's at right now. See. Alright, so reason why I want to wrap it, because bark is good, right? And I'm digging the color, so I'm gonna just wrap it right now. All right. Look at that. So we're gonna go with fat cap down. It's a little windy out here. All right, man, that's looking great. Dang. All right, let's bring you just a little bit more right here. Ooh, got some jiggle to it. All right, so do it like that. Let's take you off right now. Just gonna fold it, crease it down like that. All right, now the other side, crease it down. All right, looking good or what? All right, so Got one. Fat caps up. A little closer to you. Fat caps down. All right. Be a little tight. All right. So we got it. Fat cap down. The point, I'm going to stick it now towards the other side. The flat's going to go now on towards the firebox. Get it tight in there. Set it like that. Let's roll. Let's finish this cook before we get rained on. Knock on wood. Hopefully we won't. An hour and a half has passed. So let's get you right there. Let's get that. Remember the flats on this side. The points on this side. So just going to get, look at that. All right. Well, I'm gonna go for a little bit more, maybe another 30 minutes. There's little, you know, I want it to go right in. So let's give it another 30 minutes. Like that. Play with fire. Get that going. All right, so bring it back. Let's check that fire. Pretty good, pretty good. All right. So I'm gonna go ahead and get a feel of it. Yeah, that feels pretty good. You can see where it's at. All right, you can go by the number or you can go by the feel. And I'm going by the feel, and I like the way it feels. So it's coming off. I'm gonna let it rest for about 2 hours, wrapped in a towel, in an ice chest. Old school, right? Keep it that way. So, we still had some more left of that wood. Right, but I'm gonna take it off, let it rest. This was another cook that I really enjoyed doing overnight. Haven't done that since 2023 whenever I smoked my parents' apparel brisket for the anniversary. So going into this, it's like, you know, hey, it's nothing, right? You're gonna get tired though, sleepy, but hey, you pull through it, especially at the end when you get to see everyone eat and see how they enjoyed it, how they're complimenting you, and know that it paid off. And I think it came out a success. But I didn't get anything else other than what it looked like after I sliced it. So this is what it looked like. So yeah, I mean, everyone's happy, so they made me happy, and I accomplished what I needed to accomplish, right? So, you know, I'm got to end this, and we'll see what comes next, right, on this channel. But as always, thanks for watching. Smoke on, everyone.